welcome everyone to this virtual Founders Day celebration. I think this drone video from Gaurav has already made our morning as good as it can get. But guess what? We are here to make it even better for you. Cultural performances have always been a part of TIFR, and we were very sad when all the activities had to be stalled due to the COVID pandemic. Nevertheless, the dark days are gone, and hopefully, so we are back again, right? Science and art go hand in hand. And keeping that in mind, we thought to kickstart the colloquiums with the 2 day art exhibition. And we thank all the participants and spectators for your support. We are very happy to receive the positive responses that we have had so far. And so, to introduce today's events, we have MK and VC with us. So, I would definitely like to say a few words and to hear more of what they have to say. Good morning, MK, and welcome to this virtual Founders Day celebration.
Good morning, everybody, and I wish you all a happy Founders Day. Today is actually a true celebration for all of us. To get back to the life the way it used to be, and we get, as Harsha has said, we'll try and get more and more closer to the normality. But I appreciate the effort put in to make this possible through virtual presentation celebration today. I also congratulate for the organization of this art exhibition. It is really wonderful, and it was a discovery, at least personally for me, to see so much of a high value talent. Founders Day has a different connotation for many of us, and Baba is synonymous to pursuit of excellence and a true visionary who was one of the leading figures in building modern India. And as true inheritors of his legacy, it's our responsibility to push whatever we are doing to the kind of excellence that we can possibly achieve. It is impossible for any of us to be able to be a true inheritor of all his qualities, but let's try and do as much as we can from our end. And congratulations to all of you once again, and a happy Founders Day.
Thank you, MK. Your words are always as inspiring. I would now ask VC to say a few words and inaugurate our cultural program today. Welcome, VC, to the virtual celebrations.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Harsha, and thanks for this very kind invitation. And I can see that MK is there, Mustan's there, and probably Madhu among the people who know more about the Founders Day than I. But I think it's let's just take a moment to kind of reflect on the achievement of Homi Bhabha. As MK said, there is one thing that you are very talented. You do your physics or chemistry or biology. There is one aspect of it. But it's another thing, while you continue to do that, you also have this enormous energy and vision and passion to create institutions, which will allow other people, not just you, but many other people, to join the gravy train, so to speak, in terms of in a good way. We're doing science and technology. And this is what Bhabha did. So when Bhabha returned to India, as I understand in the 40s, the World War was waging on, and he went to the Indian Institute of Science. While it was quite okay, but he thought that this was not sufficient for India in general, and even Bhabha in particular, to do the type of physics that they wanted, that Bhabha wanted to do, and that India should be doing. So he didn't kind of give up. So he, of course, you might say that, okay, he was well connected, therefore he could write a letter to people that he knew who could fund. But the fact of the matter is, he wrote such a letter and to Dorabji Tata Trust, and then was funded and started in a place, in a temporary campus, and set up that TIFR as one of the most premier institutes, not just in India, but across the world. And the Bhabha spirit essentially is really what you can see across all the campuses of TIFR. Even at Hyderabad, when there were no buildings, when there was nothing, when we had to rent a building for starting an institute, I think the people who had come were not deterred by any one of this. They were thrilled by the opportunity to do something new in a place which was the most inconvenient to do all such things, which was a marriage hall, which was converted. Power used to go every 5 minutes. But I think the people spirit, which is, I think, what Baba's entire story represents, that spirit to do in spite of all the odds, I think is also pervasive at Hyderabad. And you can see this, whatever be our shortcomings, we can see that the spirit is really live and kicking in Hyderabad, and that I can see even among the students. So wonderful. Congratulations to all of you for putting up this very, very nice art show on this occasion. And I'm very confident, actually, I'm not just hope, I'm sure that we will live up to Bhaba's sort of that reputation that goes, and where Bhaba's name is put in front of this institute, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. I'm sure that TIFR Hyderabad will be one of the proud places where research is done in this country, and will become a very prominent center for research, not just in this country, but across the world. But this is today as a day of celebration and for cultural programs. So the celebration must, of course, keep this in mind, that they're celebrating the success of not just one individual that was there, but of an institution that today has come to their
Indeed, VC. Thank you so much for your words. So we will go ahead and start the cultural program.
So our first performance is a Vrindavani Thilana. The song praises the beauty of Lord Krishna, and when he plays his flute melodiously. The Thilana was written by Bala Murali Krishna, and presenting it to us is Ardhra.
Tillana nadr dheen dheen nana tillana tillana nadr dheen dheen nana tillana tillana nadr dheen dheen nadr dheen nadr dheen nadr dheen dheen nana tillana tillana nadr dheen dheen nadr dheen nadr dheen nadr dheen Tarita jam, tarita nadr dheerana, dheerana tadingina tom takita jam ta jam ta jam ta ta jam takita jam tarita nadr dheem nana tillana tillana nadr dheem dheem nadr dheem nadr dheem nadr dheem nana tillana tillana nadr dheem dheem nadr dheem nadr dheem nadr dheem సొగసులూర హొయలు కోరిని సొగసులూర హొయలు కోరిని ధరించి రీతిని నీరక్షీర న్యాయమై మై మరచి సకల చరాచరమెల్ల పులకించి తీయని సొగసులూర హొయలు కోరిని ధరించి రీతిని నీరక్షీర న్యాయమై మై మరచి సకల చరాచరమెల్ల పులకించి తీయని హాయని పెంచు చిరురవళిని మురళి మాధురి నాదు ధీరనా ధీరనా తదింగిన తొంత तकिट झम त झम त झम त झम तकिट झम तरित नाद्रिधी.
Such serenity in the melody and such graceful dancing. Have to mention the wonderful capture by Jishnu as well.
Moving on, we have Brijesh. He will recite a poem that he has written. So let's come, hear him.
अगर आप अपने बचपन के बारे में सोचेंगे तो कुछ स्मृतियाँ आपके दृष्टिपटल के सामने आएंगी कल्पना चित्र के रूप में. जो मेरे कल्पना चित्र में कुछ स्मृतियाँ आई हैं उन्हें मैंने कुछ पंक्तियों में लिखने की कोशिश की है. ये जो पंक्तियाँ हैं वो कुछ ही हिस्से हैं मेरे उस कल्पना चित्र के. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप इन पंक्तियों को अपने बचपन से जोड़ पाएंगे. मैं रिसाइटेशन में अच्छा नहीं हूँ ऐसा मुझे लगता है, इसलिए मैंने अपनी एक दोस्त का मदद लिया है. चंद्रिका नाम है उनका, वो यहाँ थी पहले, अभी चली गई हैं. तो रिसाइटेशन उन्होंने किया है और लिखा मैंने है, तो सुनिए इसे.
बचपन. बस मेरी अलहड़ता, मेरी नादानी ढूंढ लाना. वो बेपरवाही, वो बागपन, वो आवारगी की कहानी ढूंढ लाना. जिन पर तैरते कागज़ के जहाज थे, वही बरसात के पानी ढूंढ लाना. गुड्डे गुड्डियों की खिलौने वाली, वही राजा रानी ढूंढ लाना. जिनके पैर दबाकर न जाने कितने सिक्के कमाए हमने, वही नाना नानी ढूंढ लाना. और उनकी वो लोरियाँ, वो किस्से कहानी ढूंढ लाना. ले आना माँ की आंचल की छाँव और वो प्यारी सी थपकियाँ. फिर करना चाहता हूँ मैं तारों को गिनने जैसी गलतियाँ. ले आना वो गिल्ली डंडे जो कहीं कोने पर पड़े होंगे. लाना वो कच्ची गलियों पर खेले हुए कंचे जो धूल से सने होंगे. अब कहाँ आती हैं वो सुकून वाली गर्मी की छुट्टियाँ, न मिलती बारिश के बाद वो सौंधी खुशबू वाली मिट्टियाँ. हाँ, तो वो गर्मी की छुट्टियों भी लेते आना जिसमें कड़ी दोपहर घर से निकल आम तोड़ने जाया करते थे. उसी शाम बैठ माँ के साथ उन कच्चे आमों का अचार बनाया करते थे, जिनके बीज को सहेज बरसात के महीने उसी सौंधी खुशबू वाली मिट्टी पर उगाया करते थे. लाना वो झूले जो उन्हीं आम के पेड़ों पर लगे हैं. वो बुट्टे, वो अरहर, वो गन्ने जो खेत की मोड़ों पर उगे हैं. वो साहस लाना जिससे ऊंचे पेड़ों से तालाब में छलांग लगाया करते थे. तेज धाराओं पर तैर नदी पार जाया करते थे. स्कूल न जाने की जिद से जब मैं साइकिल से कूद जाता था, कभी घान की कोठरी तो कभी घने पेड़ों पर छुपने की योजना भी खुद ही बनाता था. उसी साइकिल से गिरने पर आई चोट वाली वो निशानी ढूंढ लाना. बस मेरी अलहड़ता, मेरी नादानी ढूंढ लाना.
हाँ, वो बेपरवाही, वो बागपन, वो आवारगी की कहानी ढूंढ लाना.
What a good recollection of our lost childhood.
Kathak, one of the 8 Indian classical dance forms, is about telling a story, Katha. The uniqueness of this dance form is it has been included in both Hindu as well as Muslim gharanas and being performed in Bhakti Katha or in Urdu ghazals. Different gharanas of Kathak focuses on different specifications of the dance. While in Jaipur Gharana, it's about emphasizing on footwork. In Banaras and Lucknow Gharana, it focuses on facial expressions and hand movements.
With an essence of all these gharana, here today we have Anamika giving tribute to the two ultimate epitomes of beauty and grace of late 50s Madhubala and Wahida Rahman, while showcasing Hindu version of Kathak including Radha Krishna's love story followed by Radha's wait for her beloved person.
The choreography is by Anamika herself, and the videography and editing courtesy goes to Satyaki. Such beauty, such grace, such power in the dance form that is Kathak. Anamika, indeed, a wonderful presentation.
Let us change tracks now.
किसी मौसम का झोंका था जो इस दीवार पर लटकी हुई, पिया तोड़ा कैसा अभिमान. Exploring the broad theme of Abhiman in an Urdu ghazal penned down by Dag Dehlvi and a Bengali takpa composed by Ramnidhi Gupta, popularly known as Nidhu Babu, in an informal setup, we have our next presenter, Shubhrojyoti.
His performance is titled Abhiman.
ना रवा कहिए ना सजा कहिए ना रवा कहिए ना सजा कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए ना रवा कहिए दिल में रखने की बात है घमे इश्क दिल में रखने की बात है घमे इश्क इसको हरगिज़ ना बरमला कहिए इसको हरगिज़ ना बरमला कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए ना रवा कहिए सब्र फुरकत में आ ही जाता है सब्र फुरकत में आ ही जाता है पर उसे देर आशना कहिए पर उसे देर आशना कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए ना रवा कहिए होश जाते रहे रकीबों के होश जाते रहे रकीबों के दाग को और बेवफा कहिए दाग को और बेवफा कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए ना रवा कहिए ना सजा कहिए 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 मुझे बुरा कहिए ना रवा कहिए क्या কমলিনী কেন অভিমান ভ্রমরে কমলিনী কেন অভিমান ভ্রমরে নয়ন অন্তর হইলে যন্তর নয়ন অন্তর হইলে যন্তর শতদোষে কাতরে শতদোষে কাতরে কমলিনী কেন অভিমান ভ্রমরে অন্য অন্য ফুলগণ জানি আমি জানি আমি জানি আমি সকলের প্রাণ অন্য অন্য ফুলগণ জানি আমি সকলের প্রাণ আমারও তো হয় উচিত তুষিতে সবারে আমারও তো হয় উচিত তুষিতে সবারে কমলিনী কেন অভিমান ভ্রমরে কমলিনী কমলিনী কেন অভিমান ভ্রমরে কমলিনী কেন অভিমান কেন অভিমান কেন অভিমান
क्या बात है दाग दहलवी साहब में रामनिधि गुप्ता वाह
I think his performance needs no more praises than the loud cheer which I can imagine is going on in the auditorium.
Oh, how I wish we could have this program offline.
Well, that is currently not possible, and I bet our next performers were also very sad about it. Nevertheless, I can assure you they will give some taste of the auditorium via their dancing.
Talking about dancing, I really miss celebrating the different festivals last year. COVID got us locked up in our houses so bad. I felt like running away.
Don't worry, Harsha. I got your cure for now. Our next performers are all ready to take us all on a short journey home.
Nature, the ultimate creator, has decorated our beloved country with 6 garlands of seasons, beautifying India in a versatile appearance. We, Indians, have grown up in the lap of Mother Nature. As truly said by J. Krishnamurti, if you lost relationship with nature, you lost relationship with humanity. And for us, our life is mingled with nature as well as religion with perfect portion of devotion, faith, love and gratitude. Therefore, when we celebrate festivals together, it becomes a perfect Gajar ka halwa with right portion of worshipping God, thanking Mother Nature and communal harmony with its sweet essence to cheer our life. Summer, the most dominating season of India, just like an elder sister, beside the scorching heat, also brings a bag full of festivals. This is the time when whole India welcomes their new year according to the lunisolar Hindu calendar, naming Vaishakhi, Poila Boishakh, Vishu, Puthandu, etc. Maharashtrians and Konkanis celebrate Gudi Padwa in the same season. Gudi means Vijay and Padwa as it's celebrated in Pratipada. Being an agricultural based country, this festival is all about celebrating the reaping of Ravi crops and with a hope of fresh start of the new year. Another interesting festival of Konkanis is Narali Purnima. This is the quintessential festival of thanking Mother Nature by the Kolis before starting their new fishing session. They worship Lord Vishnu and Shiva with Naral, that is coconut, in Purnima to seek their blessings to calm the sea at the end of the monsoon. So, स्वागत आहे आणि परंपरेचे सार आहे.
रे आला आला रे आला गुढी पाडवा नक्षीदार रांगोळी संगीतारी तोरण चढवा आला रे आला रे आला आला रे आला
We talk about monsoon in India and don't sneak peek at Janmashtami. Never possible. Indians love to live with hope of good time even in chaotic circumstances. From the mythological aspect as well, according to Bhagavad Gita, whenever there will be predominance of evil, Lord Vishnu will reincarnate to save the good. By celebrating Nand Gopal's birth, Indians uprise the hope that all evil will be diminished. On this occasion of Janmashtami, Dahi Handi event is performed, which is based on the mischievous Nandlala's Makhan Chori. Because Bada Nat Khat hai re Krishna Kanhaiya Kya kare Yashoda Maiya.
ऊंची ऊंची डोरियों पे बांधो रे घाघर पर ना माने ना कान्हा माने ना ऊंची ऊंची डोरियों पे बांधो रे घाघर पर ना माने ना कान्हा माने ना जग जो बिछाए हर जाल काट ले मक्खन चुराए हर माल छाट ले मुरली से करे ऐसी टिक 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 पन घट की है बड़ी कठिन डगर पर ना माने ना गाना माने ना
Autumn. This is the season of white cloud in the sky and white catkins in the field. Whole India buckles up to worship Ma Durga, the symbol of Shakti. While in this time, whole India worship Ma Durga in different name of occasions like Dashera, Navratri, Bommai Golu, Bathukamma. In Bengal, people celebrate return of their daughter to her paternal home because here Ma Durga is beyond a deity. This occasion is the homecoming of their daughter Uma. Therefore, irrespective of all caste and creeds, Bengalis all together celebrate this occasion joyously. তাহলে ঢাকের তালে একটু ধুনুচি নাচ হয়ে যাক।
দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক দিন গুনছে যে তারি শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর কুমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো দুর্গা এলো বলো বলো দুর্গা এলো
When the chilled wind starts to blow from north, secretly giving us the message of end of autumn, Naga tribes are all ready to showcase their age-old traditional Hornbill festival. To get the unique essence of this tribal festival, travelers across India throng the Naga heritage village in Kisama. Maybe that's why it is said Festival of the Festivals. Apart from the colorful and attractive courtyard, exotic hornbill mimicked headgears and ivory armlets, the festival also offers traditional paintings, wood carvings, sculptures, different sport activities, and of course, food fairs. So let's have a glance to this unique festival even while we are miles away from Kisama. We, Indians, are never out of energy to celebrate our culture, be it in fubbing hot or in bone-chilling cold. Moreover, if it is the occasion of starting the harvest, then how can we sit back behind the closed doors? Lohri, a popular winter folk festival, is mainly celebrated in the Punjab region. This festival is another example of thanking Mother Nature for making bounteous harvest possible as glooming sunny days are ahead. Folklore of Punjab believes that the flame of bonfire, which is the main center of attraction of this festival, carry the prayers of the people to the sun god to bring warmth to the planet, to help the crop in growing. ਭੰਗੜਾ ਗਿੱਧਾ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਹੈ, ਸਭ ਨੇ ਖਿੱਚੀ ਲੋਹਰੀ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਹੈ। ਹੈਪੀ ਲੋਹਰੀ।
ਨੱਚਦੇ ਸ਼ੁਕੀਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਮਿੱਟੀ ਵੇ ਮੱਥੇ ਚੁੰਮੇ ਹੱਸ ਕੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰੋਂ ਚੋਬਰਾ ਸਵਾਇਆ ਕੁੜਤਾ ਵੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਕੇ ਗਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੈਂਠੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਮੁੰਦਰਾ ਤੇ ਡੋਲੇ ਤੇ ਤਵੀਤ ਕੱਸ ਕੇ ਚੰਨ ਜਿਹੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਬਈ ਪਾਉਣ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਤੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿਣੇ ਆਸ਼ਕੇ ਚੰਨ ਜਿਹੇ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਬਈ ਪਾਉਣ ਭੰਗੜੇ ਤੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿਣੇ ਆਸ਼ਕੇ
If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Shelley's words are truly applicable to our diverse country as well. While spring itself decorates the whole surroundings with flowers and fruits, in India, it's also the time for reaping the rabi crops. While the other part of India, this occasion is celebrated as Nobanno, Bihu, etc., in the state of Kerala, this is the season for their main festival, Onam. the most vibrant one. This festival is ceremonialized with rangolis of flowers called Pukkalam, different games, cultural events, and a special feast, Onam Sadhya, served in banana leaves. Apart from being a harvest festival, this is also the occasion of giving tribute to legend Mahavali. Maveli nadu vanidum kalam Manusharellaramanu pole. And this is how we paint our soul with the different colors of the seasons in our Rangila Desh.
Amazing. I can feel the smell of the grass.
I can really imagine the joy of coming together in all of these festivals.
Did you think we only have singing and dancing? I have my friend Nandana here playing the Bourrée by Handel on violin.
Such talented people we have around. And for all viewers, she's not the only one so good in instrumental music form. I give you the challenge to find out the other hidden talent in the campus. Next up, we have Shamashri presenting Baithaki Bhav in Kathak. Baithaki Bhav is a sitting dance form focusing mainly on abhinay or emoting the feelings. She is accompanied by Shritama on a ghazal depicting the remembrance of a lover's sweet memories. They thank Ritu and Pavar for recording their video.
ऐसे तेरा ख्याल सरे शाम आ गया ऐसे तेरा ख्याल सरे आ गया सब दर्द मुस्कुरा उठे सब दर्द मुस्कुरा उठे आराम आ तेरा ख्याल सरे शाम आ गया ऐसे तेरा ख्याल पहरे लगा तुम जान ये हुआ पहरे लगा तुम तो अनजान ये हुआ पर
Abhinaya, one of the most difficult forms of dancing, effortlessly put forth by Shamashri, coupled with the marvelous vocals of Shritama. One word, wonderful.
Our next performance is Singing. When You Say Nothing at All is a country song by Ronan Keating. The song is a soundtrack to the film Notting Hill. Presenting it is a Sushri.
Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The time Oh, Mr. Webster could never define what's been said between old heart and mind. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. Touch of your hand, say to catch me if ever I fall. You say best when you said nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. Touch of your hand said you'll catch me if ever I fall. You say best when you said nothing at all.
What a beautiful song. Our next performance is a semi-classical fusion dance on the Indian classical musical adaptation of Jason Derulo's Swala and Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Steffi and Purnima have tried to blend their preliminary knowledge of Kuchipudi, the dance form indigenous to the state of Andhra Pradesh, with the beautiful Carnatic mix of Indian raga.
Ta jum num ta rum ta dhalam ko tak tak da 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 gida 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 ta jum ta takita ta da ta jum gida jum ta num ta rum ta takita ta da gida gida
Kirda ka junuta dim ta kirda ka junuta dim ta kirda ka junuta dum ta na 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 dhum dhum ta na 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 dhum dhum agappa dhum dhum ta na na de ra na 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 dhum dhum agasa ragda dhum da da ra di ra na 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 da dagda dhum da dagda dhum dagda dhum 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 da na 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 de ra na 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 dhum kirda na di ra na gama gama ma gama pa ma ga sa ni sa kirda na di ra na gama gama ma gama pa ma ga sa ni sa kirda na di ra na gama gama ma gama pa ma ga sa ni sa come on now follow my lead come on now follow my lead why niri bama ba ga re sa ni why pani sa sa pani sa sa pani sa sa why gare ni sa ma gare sa ni da ba why
My feet are still tapping at the beats. Such nice performances we have all lined up today. Brilliant, Steffi and Purnima.
We are almost at the end of today's events. I thank Harsha and Orko for co-hosting with me, and a huge thanks to Basil for collating all of these performances online. I also extend my thanks to Devakinandan, Shinjini, and Basil again for helping us with the glitches that occurred initially. This is me, Shunayana, signing off till the next cultural event. Have a great weekend.